So this we have another definite integral that has an inside function and an outside function, where the inside function is the x squared plus 4. So we'll make our u, I'll do it over here, u is equal to x squared plus 4. And if we take the derivative of that, we get du dx is equal to the derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of 4 goes to 0. So we multiply both sides by dx to get du is equal to 2x dx. And divide both sides by 2x to solve for dx. That du over 2x is equal to dx. Then we can, because we have a definite integral, we need to find our new u values. So u is equal to, when x is 0, 0 squared plus 4 makes 4. So this will be the integral, the lower limit will be 4. And when u is equal to, when x is 2 root 3, plug that in, squared plus 4, and that gives us 2 squared is 4, times root 3 squared is times 3, so 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4, which is 16. So our upper limit will be 16. And then we'll leave the 4x there, divide by the square root of the x squared plus 4, we're going to put in as u, and then substituting the du over 2 for dx, du over 2x. So the x's will now cancel here and here. The 4 over 2 will go to 2, so I'll pull a 2 through to make it 2 integral from 4 to 16 of 1 over root u du, which I can write the root u as u to the 1/2 and put it on the top as u to the negative 1/2. So this would be 2 integral 4 to 16 of u to the negative 1/2 du. So now I can take my integral by adding 1 to the exponent to make this 2 times u to the power of positive 1/2 divided by the new exponent, which is 1/2, evaluated from 4 to 16. So then flipping over the 1/2 and multiplying gives us 4u to the 1/2 evaluated from 4 to 16. So then plugging in the top first, u times 16 to the 16 to the 1/2 minus plugging in the 4 next, 4 to the 1/2 gives 16 to the 1/2 is the square root of 16, which is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, minus 4 to the 1/2 is 2, so 4 times 2 is 8. So it's 16 times 8, 16 minus 8, which is 8.